All right, let's take a look at the cloud backend block. So when using Terraform Cloud as a remote backend state, you should instead use the cloud block to configure its usage. So previously, in previous Terraform versions, it would look like this. So you'd have Terraform backend remote, and the way you'd know it'd be using Terraform Cloud is that the hostname would be set as app.terraform.io. And so this has been changed. So now that all you have to do is use this cloud block, and so you just don't specify that host name. And for the most part, the configurations between them are very similar. So the only thing that we're seeing different is this prefix. Maybe that prefix is still there. We'd have to double check the documentation on that. But what's important to understand is that there's this cloud block, and it is the recommended way to do it. Now, I do want to point out that I tested both, and the remote version still works. So you can still do it this way if you're doing it the old school way. And this is just an alternate way. Would they ever make it so you could not use the remote state in the future for Terraform Cloud and you'd have to use the block? I don't know, but I can tell you right now that they do have that cloud block. So both are valid options, and the latter, of course, being the recommended use one. So yeah, there you go.